Unit 2, Part B, Activity 2A. Listen to Chani describing her long school holiday. Write C for things that Chani did, K for things that Kasal did, and B for things both of them did.
Kasal and I had a long holiday from school in September. We didn't really have any family holiday because her father had to work. But it was still a fun holiday because we spent 2 weeks with our grandparents. My father drove and dropped us at our grandparents' house. We were so happy to see them. While we were there, I went to the market with my grandmother, and she cooked a lot of food for us. I helped with the cooking as well, but Gosal didn't help at all. He only ate. Lazy Gosal. He either rode his bicycle around the village or played with the neighbors' children. Sometimes, in the late afternoon, our grandfather took us to the lake. Gosal swam with my grandfather all the time, but I didn't. I just went there and relaxed. We also visited and met some of our relatives who live in the same village as our grandparents. I think they were excited to see us. I also learned how to cook some dessert from one of them.